Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the Northeast Fruit Wine Incubation Center at the Institute of Hotel Management IHM campus in Mawdiangdiang, New Shillong Township in the presence of Agricultural Minister Amprin Lingdor and Excise Minister Kermen Shella. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that the launch of fruit wine incubation, which is linked with tourism and agriculture, will go a long way in promoting entrepreneurship and also help in job creation.
Yeah, you can taste. We'll take shots.
The other one, most important inventions. Master for Meghalaya. And more importantly,
explore and in a phase-wise manner go, because the accessibility of such products has to be there, especially in tourist locations. And because that's the idea, we would want tourists to take back these kind of wines to their home and showcase it and talk about the wine industry in Meghalaya also. And that's a good purpose of doing this. And yes, we will, in a phase-wise manner, by taking all stakeholders into confidence, we will slowly move forward and see how we can make it more accessible.
In a significant